Hello everybody and welcome to the Creatrix YouTube channel. I welcome you all in a fresh session of analog electronics. And my dear friends, when I say we are going to learn analog electronics from the very basic, I mean it. We will be learning from the very basic level to the very advanced level along with a lots and lots of questions. So before we do that, let me first introduce myself for my friend who is meeting me for the first time. My dear friends, my name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded the President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes and presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. But my dear friends, the reason behind this series is because of the huge demand of analog electronics and the belief that whenever you ask for anything, we are there to deliver. Yes, my dear friends, we are here for you. We are here delivering for you. And when we say it, we will support you to the very fullest level. And this series will help you crack GATE with the top rank. It will enable ECE student to get 12 out of 12 and 5 out of 5 for electrical students. So my dear friends, if you want to learn with us live, then you can join an academy using the code AnkitESE to get an immediate 10% discount. And not only, my dear friend, 10% discount, it also brings you under my guidance so that I can help you do something that I have done. I can at least take you near to this goal. Okay. So if you also dream the same thing, then join me in this journey on an academy subscription using the code AnkitESE. Now, my dear friend, if you like the content that I deliver, you can watch more of my free videos on this URL, tinyurl.com/AnkitESE. Here you will find all my videos arranged subject-wise, chapter-wise, and you will find great content for free. And you are definitely going to love it. You are definitely going to enjoy. It not only includes conceptual videos, but it also includes problem-solving sessions. So just visit this once and you will fall in love with this URL. Don't forget it. It is a lifeline for you. And if you love the content that we are delivering on YouTube, we have created the first ever video book for you guys, where you will find all the videos along with all the notes that we provide arranged subject wise, chapter wise. So now, my dear friends, your dreams are no longer dreams. They are becoming a reality because you are getting a top quality course, well arranged, well structured, and that too for free. So what can be better than that? What can be better than that? Nothing, my dear friends. So we have empowered the dreams of those who earlier used to think that only the person with a huge amount of money can crack GATE with a top rank. No, my dear friends, that is not the case. Even you can do. Even you can do it. But yes, just you need to believe in yourself and visit this link. But remember, this is a case sensitive link, so write this in uppercase. Other than that, if you join plus subscription, you get all the top educators like me teaching you live in daily lectures, along with providing you daily practice paper, weekly quiz, test series, previous year question, practice question, crash course, rank improvement batch, and most importantly, clearing your each and every doubt. So if you join plus subscription, it is an entire world inside it. So you don't have to look outside. Once you enter plus, every need of yours will be taken care of, and we will make your journey as smooth as possible towards that destination of getting under 100, under 10 rank. Believe me, my friend, you leave that strategy part to us. You leave the content part to us. You just work hard and we will make sure that you obtain the top rank in GATE and ESE. And Iconic is a big brother of Plus. Yes, this is a little brother. So Iconic gives you everything that the Plus subscription gives, along with much more. The major part of Iconic is this personal coach, a person dedicated to you on a daily basis to get you the top rank, guiding you, getting your schedule design, making your strategy. Everything that you need to get the top rank is being done by this personal coach. He'll also create a study planner for you, which you can follow blindly and reach your destination with utmost ease. They will be analyzing your test result and tell you where you are lacking, how you can improve. So that way, my dear friend, everybody else will get a standard analysis, but you will get an analysis just tailor-made for you. Along with it, we have included study material additionally, theory and question bank, and soon we'll be introducing interview guidance into this. So this will become a complete package for a student who wants to take that journey from being an average student to sitting into a PSU or a MTech seat. So for them, this journey will be just like driving a Lamborghini to work. So that sort of a experience, that sort of a royal experience we are going to give you. So let's move on to the lecture, and if you want to join Unacademy, just make sure you use the code AnkitESE to get my guidance as well as to get 10% over and above whatever Unacademy offers you. So now let's move on to the lecture, dear friends, and let's see what we have in store for you.
Hi guys, in the previous video we started with the concept of field effect transistor. So I told you how is the field effect transistor different from our BJT. Okay, in that I told you there are two types of field effect transistor. One is the junction field effect transistor, which we are studying in this unit, and the other, which we will be learning later, is the MOSFET. In field effect transistor, I told you the major differences with BJT was high input impedance, low sensitivity, low voltage gain, more thermally stable. These were the major differences as compared to BJT. Plus it was a voltage control device, whereas BJT was a current control device. Okay. Then we studied about the construction and working of JFET. I told you JFET has two PN junction which are kept reverse biased. So we keep it reverse biased in order to control depletion width, and by controlling depletion width we can control channel resistance. Then we studied about the concept of pinch off voltage. In pinch off voltage, what I told you is, if you keep drain to source voltage equal to Vp, the drain current becomes constant. If you keep VGS equal to Vp, the drain current becomes 0. And we saw that the pinch off voltage is positive for P channel JFET, and it is negative for the case of N channel JFET. We studied about the resistance of the channel, which was R0 divided by 1 minus VGS by Vp whole square, and we studied about transfer characteristic, in which we wrote ID equal to IDSS 1 minus VGS over Vp whole square. So this is all that we covered in the previous video. In this video we'll be starting with the circuit aspect of JFET, and we'll be starting with the DC analysis or biasing of JFET. So I told you biasing is a process of applying DC voltages in order to establish the operating point or Q point of the device. So Q point, I told it is a quiescent point, or it is the no signal point. That is, when signal or AC signal is 0, it is the DC operating point. Now in BJT I told you the Q point was given as IC, VC. Here in JFET, collector is replaced by drain, so ID. Ammeter is replaced by source, VDS. So ID, VDS. That will be your Q point. And we'll apply the same biasing techniques that we used in BJT. So first we will start with fixed bias. So I told in BJT, when we are performing DC analysis, capacitors are open circuited and AC source is shorted. So this capacitor will be open and this will also be open. So first I am applying KVL in this loop. Remember, in JFET this gate current is always 0. Why gate current is 0? Because what we have done is we have reverse biased the PN junction. Okay. Since we have reverse bias the PN junction, the gate will not carry any current. Gate current will be 0. So now let us apply KVL. If we apply KVL, we will write from plus to minus, minus VGG minus IGRG minus VGS equal to 0. Now IG is 0 because gate terminal is reverse bias. So we have obtained VGS equal to minus VGG. We have obtained the gate to source voltage. Once we have this, what I can say is the drain current is identified using the relation that I taught in the last lecture, like this. That will be your drain current. Okay. So we can figure out the drain current. Now for complete Q point I need VDS also. For VDS I will apply KVL like this. This voltage will be VDS. So when we apply KVL, what we will write? VDD, this current is ID, minus ID RD minus VDS equal to 0. So VDS is VDD minus ID RD. That means we have also obtained VDS. So I can say we have obtained the Q point ID comma VDS. So this biasing technique analysis is very simple. You first find out VGS and based on that you find out the drain current, and once we have drain current we can find out the drain to source voltage to find out the Q point. Why Q point is necessary? Because when we will go for amplifiers, we have seen in BJT we need the DC analysis parameters in order to find the parameters of the small signal or the AC model. Moving to the next biasing technique, next is called as self bias. Self bias means we are using a same source to bias the JFET. Now here also when we are performing DC analysis, when we are talking about DC analysis, your capacitor will be open. So this capacitor will be removed, this will also be removed. What I told in BJT as well as in JFET, first we apply KVL in the input loop. So we will apply KVL like this. So the plus minus across the resistance will be like this. Now see, when you write down KVL equation, 0 minus VGS minus ISRS equal to 0. So VGS is minus ISRS. Now in a JFET I told you that gate current is always 0. So always remember, in FET the drain current is same as the source current and the gate current is always 0. So this you can also write as minus ID into RS. Once we know this, we know that the drain current can be written as, now don't think that it is very simple, I will put the value of VGS and I will find ID. No, because in this case VGS depends on ID. So it will lead to a quadratic equation which you will have to solve. What you will do here is, you will put the value of VGS, you will write 1 plus ID RS by VP whole square. Now this will lead to a quadratic equation in ID which we will solve to find the drain current. That is why the biasing analysis of JFET and MOSFET is more typical as compared to BJT, because of such kind of non-linear relationship between the voltage and current. To complete the study of Q point, we need to find VDS also. For that I will apply KVL like this. But I will write VDD minus IDRD minus VDS minus IS RS. From here VDS is VDD minus. Now ID and IS both are equal, so I'll write it as ID and their coefficient will be added RD plus RS. So from here we can find out the Q point ID comma VDS. Is it fine? So here what we have seen, that we cannot directly find the drain current, we have to solve the quadratic equation. Moving to the third biasing, which was most popular when we were studying BJT, is the voltage divider biasing. Now in voltage divider biasing, when we are doing DC analysis, first of all, what I have to do? You have to open circuit the capacitor. Then what we do is we find Thevenin equivalent of this voltage divider network. So what is this Thevenin voltage here? The Thevenin voltage here is VDD into R2 by R1 plus R2, just by voltage division. What about Thevenin resistance? As we have seen multiple times in BJT, these two resistance will be in parallel. So RTH will be R1 parallel R2. Now I will draw the equivalent network. This voltage source here will be VTH in series with a resistance RTH. This is RD, VDD. RS. This capacitor will also be open. This is the same capacitor that we studied in BJT, that was being called as a bypass capacitor. I told you why we use bypass capacitor, so that in AC analysis it can short circuit the resistor to eliminate the negative feedback or to increase the gain. Now this current will be ID, this current will also be ID, because here the gate current is 0. Now first we will apply KVL in the input loop. So I will write VTH minus IGRTH minus VGS minus IDRS equal to 0. Now IG is 0. So VGS from here is VTH minus IDRS. Now once we have VGS, I can apply this equation. ID is IDSS 1 minus VGS over VP whole square. In this, if you put VGS, VGS is again in terms of ID. So again this will lead to a quadratic equation. And if it leads to quadratic equation, you will solve that quadratic equation to find ID. Now what about VDS? For VDS, I'll again apply KVL. I'll write VDD minus IDRD minus VDS minus IDRS equal to 0, which means VDS is VDD minus ID RD plus RS. So once you have find out the value of ID, you can find out the value of VDS. But again the analysis will be a bit complicated. Why? Because here also quadratic equation will be formed. Now if we talk about finding the Q point using the load line, so what will happen? So here, what was the KVL equation? Here we have this KVL equation VGS. VGS is VTH minus ID RS. This will be called as your load line. That is the line or the straight line equation based on the external circuit. Now how to find Q point C? For Q point I need to solve two equations. One which I have found out using the KVL, the equation that is written just now. See, I told you we have this equation and we have this equation. When we solve both these equations, we can find the value of ID. So this will be called as load line, and this is your transfer characteristic. So if I plot transfer characteristic, how did I plot them earlier? The maximum current I showed as IDSS, okay, and then this current was parabolically decreasing to 0 at Vp. This axis is ID, this is VGS, okay. Now this equation, when ID is 0, VGS is VTH, and when VTH is 0 or VGS is 0, how much is ID? ID is VTH over RS. Suppose this is VTH over RS. So what I will do now is, I'll plot a straight line between these 2 points like this. So this I'll mark as VTH. Okay. Now we can see these lines are intersecting at this point. So that will be your Q point. So unlike BJT, in BJT we were finding Q point by finding the intersection of the load line and the output characteristic. Here we are finding the Q point by finding the intersection between load line and the transfer characteristic, and the equation that I am using for transfer characteristic is this IDSS 1 minus VGS by Vp whole square. This is also called as Shockley equation. Shockley was a scientist who gave this equation. So this is called as the Shockley equation. Now coming to the last configuration of JFET, that is common gate configuration. Again, if I want to perform DC analysis, in common gate the input will be at the source and the output will be at the drain. So for DC analysis, capacitors are open circuited. Now the first step is by applying KVL in the input loop. If this current is ID, this current is also ID. So if I apply KVL, 0 minus VGS minus IDRS minus VSS. So VGS is VSS minus IDRS. We have this equation, this I'll call as load line equation. Then we have another equation which is Shockley equation. ID equal to IDSS 1 minus VGS over Vp whole square. This is another equation that we have. In this you will substitute the value of VGS 1 minus VSS minus IDRS by Vp whole square. And by solving this quadratic equation, we can find out the value of ID. Now to find VDS, we will apply KVL like this. So I'll write VDD minus IDRD minus VDS minus IDRS equal to minus VSS. So VDS is VDD plus VSS minus ID RD plus RS. So that will be your Q point by finding ID and VDS. So we have seen in most of the cases we have to form quadratic equation in terms of ID, and then only we can compute ID. So here the DC analysis is not linear and it is not as simple in computation as in case of BJT. Okay. So let me summarize what we have covered in this lecture. We have seen different bias configuration. First one was fixed bias. It was the simplest. Then we saw self bias, in which the gate terminal was connected to source. Then we saw voltage divider bias, the most common biasing configuration. Then common gate configuration. Other than this, I have also told you about the DC load line analysis, but here the difference is that this load line is taken from input circuit and we have to find the intersection with the transfer characteristic instead of the output characteristic. Okay, so these are different bias configuration, and based on the results of biasing we will find out the small signal parameter to find the gain of a JFET amplifier. But all that we will do in the next video. Thank you.
I hope all of you have enjoyed the lecture that we were providing and all of you learned something very good. Now is the time to learn about the Unacademy subscription. So as I told the benefits of the Plus subscription at the very beginning, let's go through them very quickly. Live classes you get by the top educators, crash course, rank improvement batch, doubt clearing, weekly quiz, test series, previous year question, practice question, everything in one subscription called as Unacademy Plus. And Iconic is one level higher. It provides you a personal coach who will mentor you on a daily basis, who will guide you on a daily basis, along with providing you study planner, test analysis, study material, and soon enough interview guidance. So if you are looking to join Unacademy, let's see what are the pricing. So my dear friends, before we see the pricing, just see the link. This link will help you crack GATE and ESE with the top rank, because we have created the first ever video book for GATE and ESE for my YouTube family, and you will get the notes as well as the lectures here. Just make sure that you write this link in the uppercase and you will get to the first ever video book for GATE and ESE, and it is nothing but revolutionary. Now let's see the pricing of Plus subscription. So for 12 months the pricing is 3250, but if you apply the code Ankit ESE it becomes 27225. For 18 months it will be 34650, and for 24 months 39600. Believe me my dear friend, this is the most affordable pricing, and the longer duration subscriptions are more cost effective as compared to shorter duration. Like here it will cost you 1650 per month. Okay, this will be 2000 per month approx. This will be around 2250 per month. Then if you go for Iconic for 12 months, it is 5250. With code Ankit ESE it becomes 45225, and 2 year subscription becomes 66600. So the choice is yours, but take a longer duration subscription for more cost effective solution and to give GATE and ESE at least 2 times, so that if you once crack GATE, in the next attempt you can even get ESE. And other than that my friends, you can download the Unacademy learning app right now, because there we provide live classes for free, test series and live quizzes for free. And once you download it, make sure that you follow this profile. This is my profile, so that whenever I come live you will get the notification. And this is the Telegram channel for our team. Here you will find all the lecture links, all the lecture files, and all the links for the special classes. Other than that my friend, my personal Telegram channel also you can join, t.me/GateAIR1. Here you can get in touch with me and we can take this journey together. Okay. Other than that, we have other YouTube channels like Mechanical, Civil and Telugu, JEE channel, Computer Science, Gate Question and Electrical Junction, Pathshala and GS Terminal. Electrical Junction contains short videos of great concepts. Pathshala provides you animated content. JEE preparation can be done through these 2 channels, Unacademy SSC JEE and GS Terminal. And you can refer the other channels to the other friends in respective branches so that they can also be benefited. At last, I would like to say, please share, like and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, and not only subscribe, press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video comes. And share these videos among all your college group, among all your friends, so that we can create the first ever revolution of free education in field of GATE and ESE. Thank you to everybody for dedicating time to watching this video. Please move on to the next one as well and take the benefit of all the free content that we are providing. And in case you have completed the series, do make sure you watch the other subjects available on this channel. Thank you.